Well, hello everyone. This is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, Decorating on a Budget. Now, I know you haven't seen me for a while because I've been MIA trying to deal with health issues. But today, as you see behind me, I still have Christmas up, y'all. And this is what I was going to do in here, but I didn't do this table, but the stuff is still here on the table. But the house, it still has the reindeers and all that all through the house. And today, my niece Kayla is here, and we're going to get this table cleaned off and get it ready so I can do decorations for Valentine's Day in here. Also, I want to do something for Black History Month too in here. So there are 3 tablescapes coming up for me. One for Black History, one for Valentine's, and then my Mardi Gras tablescape is coming up as well, and then my spring tablescape collaboration. So I have these 4 tablescapes coming up that I'm excited about doing, and they will be coming up soon. But for today, my niece, the noise you hear in the background, she's bringing in my bins from the garage. We're going to get this table cleaned off, get this stuff moved out of here, clean the stuff in the hallway out, and the stuff in the family room, get all the Christmas taken down in those areas, predominantly swept and cleaned on this episode. So I'm trying to get the Christmas down so I can get ready for the other seasons that are rolling around soon. So I hadn't left, just had health issues, but we're back. So let me stop chatting with you, and so me and Kayla can get busy in here. And also, guys, you know I have been looking for 2 head of the table chairs, or they call them captain's chairs. Well, I was looking at the Facebook Marketplace last week, and I saw the perfect chairs. Now I'm going to pull the chair around and let you see this chair. Now here's a chair I picked up. I have 2 of them. One here and this one here. Now the other one had a spot on the seat, so I did shampoo it and I'm letting it dry before I do the tablescape. Now as you see, it matches the other colors of my chairs perfectly, so I was happy about that. Now the only other thing on this chair, that has a mark on the leg, which I have furniture stuff for that. Okay, it has the nails here, and it has the ring on the back, which I really like. The chair legs are the same color as the other chairs at my table. But here is my I have 2 of these, so these are my captain's chairs. I'm very happy. They're going to look really good on the table when I do tablescapes. The 2 chairs that I did have there with the brown chair covers, they've been moved to another place in the house. And mine and my husband's offices, I have added chair covers to go along with the colors in the areas. So I'm very pleased that I have this chair to go at the head of the table. So I'm going to stop babbling so we can get all this Christmas stuff out of here and get this room back to just a basic look before I start decorating for the seasons. And then this, down on the bottom you'll see some more flags down under that other one, you see them? Just lay it down there. I have to get a bin for them. Okay, come on out. Wait, don't shut it. We got to put that. So far the closet is working with the bins. I'm liking it. So those bins are working really well with storage. I still need to get what I want to do to finish the other side. But it's still working pretty good. Now I need to put this mirror tray up. Ugh. Come on. Now while you're here, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down below. Also give me a thumbs up and don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified each time I upload something new. I'll get the broom and the dustpan. Oh, right now. Never stop exploring. There's always something new at the end. Now let's take a walk through and see all the rooms and see how they have been decluttered. even got the breakfast area cleared for Christmas. I still have those throws. They were gifted to my husband, and I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do with them. So now that these areas, the formal dining room, the breakfast area, the family room, and even the kitchen has been cleared of all Christmas decor, next you'll see the series will be me refreshing the home after Christmas. And I'm going to do a room at a time, because I'm trying to take my time and do anything and follow doctor's orders. So hopefully you'll come back after this. My niece worked hard with me to clear out Christmas, get the bins out and back into the garage. So hopefully you'll come back and see how I refresh each room. I'm looking forward to seeing you there. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.